Neama, I'll jump to you on the Wes question, which we talked about with Tiffany. But the idea that Wes is somebody whose name keeps coming up, the son of Victoria, defense bringing up his name almost to insinuate he might have had some role in what happened here, or maybe he didn't. I mean, muddying the waters a little bit, but the idea that he was calm when his mom went missing, he didn't initially come down to speak to former officer Bilgo about what happened to his mom. She said that she had an uneasy feeling about James Prokopovitz and Wes. I'll give you an opportunity to respond to the Wes question.
Sure. First of all, as prosecutors, we love that prior bad acts evidence, so I can see why they want to get that in. But with respect to Wes, I like what the defense has done there. Yeah, and you hit the nail on the head. I mean, they're trying to muddy the waters. They're trying to tell the jurors, hey, all this state evidence against Jim or James, I mean, this really equally applies to Wes, right? He lived in the home. He had the same, or more or less, essentially the same demeanor when he was first confronted with his mother's disappearance. So I like what the defense did there. They're subtly pointing the finger at another potential suspect. And really, it's a much more reasonable defense, in my opinion, than this missing person who killed herself and is nowhere to be found. So I like what they did there.
Well, we have a lot of questions, and we're going to try to answer more of these questions, or maybe the trial will answer more of our questions as it goes back live. Let's take a break. When we come back, keeping a careful eye on the courtroom feed. If they go live, we'll go live. Stay tuned.